Imagine controlling Blender just by writing a prompt. Imagine creating 3D models automatically in real time. Yes, today I'm going to show you how you can use Claude inside Blender and generate things directly in your 3D scene. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. So today's video is going to be crazy interesting because I'm going to show you something really powerful. First of all, we need to download the Claude desktop app. So go to claude.ai, then go to Customize, and after that, go to Connectors. Now click on the plus icon, then click on Browse Connectors. Here, just search for Blender. Once you find Blender, click on it, and you'll see the option to download the desktop app. So now just download the Claude desktop app for Windows. Step 2. Install Claude. Once it's downloaded, you'll see the setup file. Just open it and follow the simple installation steps. After installation, log in using your email. Now, once everything is done, you'll see Claude running in your system tray, and the shortcut to open Claude is Ctrl plus Alt plus spacebar, press it, and boom, Claude will pop up. Now comes the important part. We need to connect Blender with Claude. So go to your browser and search for MCP server. Open the MCP server page, and here you'll find the Blender add-on. You'll see an option like drag and drop into Blender. Step 4. Install add-on in Blender. Now go to Edit Arrow Preferences, Arrow Add-ons, search for MCP and enable it. Once enabled, you'll see Blender MCP available. Step 5. Connect Blender to Claude. Now press N on your keyboard to open the right side panel. You'll see a new tab called Blender MCP. Click on it. And now just click on Connect to MCP server. And that's it. Your Blender is now connected. Alright guys, one more important step, don't skip this. If your Blender MCP tab is still not showing, don't worry. This is the final fix, and it will 100% solve it. Go to Google and search Blender MCP GitHub. Open the first link. Now scroll down, you'll find a file called addon.py. Click on it and download this file. So go to Edit Preferences Add-ons. Now click on the small drop-down arrow at the top, then click on Install from Disk. Now just select the addon.py file that you downloaded, click Install, and then simply enable the add-on. Now you will 100% see the Blender MCP tab. Now comes the fun part. Open Claude using the shortcut. Start a new chat and type something like "Create a cup with coffee inside in Blender, press enter." Watch the magic. Now Claude will start working. It might ask for permission. Just click Allow All, and now it will start writing Python code. It will execute inside Blender, and everything will happen in real time. Just look at your Blender viewport. It was empty, and now it's creating a full object. Final result. And boom, the cup of coffee is created. And honestly, it's really impressive. Yes, there might be some small imperfections, you can always fix them manually, but look at this. It added textures, it created lighting, it even added extra elements like a plate, which I didn't even ask for. Now let's switch to render view, and wow, this looks super cool. You can clearly see the coffee, the materials, and the lighting. This is honestly insane. Yeah guys, that's it for this video. This is how you can use Claude with Blender and create things using simple prompts. And trust me, this is just the beginning. You can do way more with this. If you want more videos like this, make sure to subscribe and let me know in the comments what you want me to try next. Alright guys, see you in the next one.